Okay, that's the restaurant. No. Elevator. Up to the 11. For lunch, elevator, and 11 Marceline Market. I'm sorry, say it again. For lunch, we have the Marceline Market, deck 11, which is number 46. Okay, thank you.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come in here and say this is Disney Wish. We did a Embarkation Day. This was 2023. This happened to be some footage that I never posted and I decided why not post it. So in this video, I am not doing a lot of talking. I am just showing you guys what we did the day that we got on the boat. This was the very first day, and so when we got on, son immediately went to the pool. We did do a little walking around, checking the ship out, but I do recommend, if you have not been on a Disney Wish, that you do go and experience it for yourself, with or without kids. You will love it. You will have a great time, as we did. Again, not a whole lot of talking to you guys in this video, but just showing you what we did while we were on board the first few hours we got there. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching.
You're going to have to keep going up to the 11 if you don't want to take that one. Five. That means you got 6 more. Look, anybody take the elevator. Come on. Push the up button. Thank you. Hello. You want to share? Nope. We're going to 11. Boy. You really got to get drunk.
Hello. Hi family.
Hello.
Come on board. Coming for lunch? Yes. Yes. Also we don't do that.
Hello. Where your mama at? She eating tacos. Huh? Hey, the next Hayden right there. You want to put on your swim clothes? I'm gonna have to go in the gift shop and see if they got goggles in it. Where's your mom?
I guess let me go. Cause we can head up to our room. If you wasn't over there. I doubt. I mean, we could have went down the water slide. Look, we got seats up top over here in the shade. Did you see that? Up there by the window. Could have went up there. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but this was a three night, 4-day cruise. We left out of Florida, Port Canaveral, and so this was part of our vacation this year. We actually split it up between the parks and doing the cruise. Since the cruise was a short cruise, we spent the remainder of the time going to Disney World and going to the parks as well. So again, this cruise was only for 3 nights, 4 days. We split it up between doing this and the parks. But if you do decide to split up your vacation like this, I would recommend doing the parks first and then doing the cruise. Because once we got off the cruise and we hit the parks, it was just go, 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 go. And we were so tired and the cruise was so relaxing. So I would say do parks and everything first and then do the cruise for the relaxing part before your vacation is over.
They used to, so that's old. So cool. Really, honestly, I would you can look at the teams and that's fine. Just anything that's currently that's going on right now, I would refer to that yellow photo.
May I have your attention, please? This is the officer of the watch speaking from the bridge. Refueling operations are complete, and you are now allowed to smoke only in designated areas on open decks. Guests may also use their stateroom verandas at this time. Thank you for your...
Yeah, you good.
Deck 6, doors opening.
All right. Take care. All right.
6092. 6092. So we should be this way. 6092. 60. Excuse us. Yes. We're going out. Well, that's all. Excuse me. 98, 96. Right. Ready? This is our room. You got your watch, use it.
Oh.
There you go. Yay! Yep. Yeah. Oh, I'm stuck. My purse is caught on this handle.
On the handle?
Yeah.
You'll find the exact location and directions to
Okay.
So our luggage not here yet.
Nope, our luggage has not made it yet. Nope. Because I said that it would be outside the room with the key and the luggage. Okay, well it's not too bad.
And that pulls out.
I don't know, we can see.
Oh, snap.
What?
Prior to sailing, it is mandatory for every stateroom to check in.
So I'm guessing it does pull out then.
Designated assembly station.
I hope so, because ain't no room in this building.
Unlike the event of a
Well, he gonna have to sleep on the couch. Let's see. Hey! Disney Cruise 2023. Wish, Disney Wish.
Wish you put that camera up.
Whatever. Excuse us. Where'd he go? Aiden, wait. Where'd he go?
Did he really just disappear on us? He took the steps.
Are you sure? Aiden. Well, he would have went up because we gotta go up. Okay, y'all. I am on the Disney Wish cruise with my family, my husband, and my son. It is 2020. What are we? 2023. 2023 Disney cruise, guys. We are having such a good time here. I have to come back and get my hat, y'all, because it is hot out there. So let me get my hat on. Hopefully this stays on, because we on the 11th deck, and when I tell y'all it's blazing hot out there, it's hot. Let's head back. All right, guys, I'm heading back to the pool and the party. There's a party going on up on the 11th deck. Let's go.
Say the special words on the count of 3. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3.
So many smiling faces, and I see some of you have your wishing wands. Together, we can make even the biggest wishes come true, like setting sail. Let's see what our magic can do. Wands up. Repeat after me. Wishes do come true. Ready? Wishes do come true. Okay. Come on. It's time to sail away. It's time to celebrate. Hi there. Put your hands up. Magic all around and I can get enough. Yeah, I can feel the love. Adventures waiting for us on the sea. I can't wait to find something for you with the family. Here we go!
We are moving, I can tell now. I feel it swaying.
I know.
A little bit. Hello. Good. Here's some margarita.
So I have Patron, I have Dominion Family, and I also have 1800.
Tequila, please. Tequila.
What type of
Patron.
Patron, Dominion, Silver.
Yes.
Would you like salt?
No, sir.
Yeah, let me get a margarita with 1800. Yeah. You already got it? Recording, moving. And you, say hello, Mr. Johnson. Huh? Oh, is it? It says no smoking in this area.
They got smoke area all the way down. It's on the other side. One side. But I got, see, I think this is that's good. They got
Maybe just not over there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the smoking area.
Yeah.